Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how reliability-centered maintenance can help you get out of the frustrating cycle of reactive mode. And if you stick around till the end, I'll give you an update on our metal building. The insulation for the building was delivered today. There was a balance we had to strike when deciding when to have it delivered. It's important not to have it on hand too long, but we also don't want to be scrambling for it once the metal framing is complete. And this reminds me about reliability-centered maintenance. Many organizations find themselves stuck in reactive mode, constantly responding to unplanned failures. One way RCM can help you get proactive is by identifying plausible failure modes, so then you can proactively identify how to manage each one. A failure mode is what specifically causes functional failure. In the context of RCM, there are 4 criteria for identifying failure modes. Those that have happened before, those that haven't happened but are a real possibility, those that haven't happened are unlikely to occur, but the consequences are severe, and those that are currently being managed by proactive maintenance. By knowing your failure modes, you can use the rest of the RCM process to figure out how to manage them before they cause unexpected downtime. RCM gives you the tools to plan ahead so you're not caught off guard when failures occur. We were caught in reactive mode this morning. When the guys were unloading the insulation and storing it inside this trailer, they noticed that the skylight cover was missing. It had dry rotted due to normal use, and it must have blown away in the recent storm. If we didn't notice this during the next rain, it would have damaged the insulation. So in this case, we were lucky. What they did is they jerry-rigged a cover, so for now, until we can get it fixed, at least we can keep the rain and other elements out of the trailer. And now for the update on our building. You can see that the concrete floor is done and it's all dried. Yesterday they spread rock and framed the area where the front porch will be. Early next week they'll pour the cement. It's all really coming along. Before you know it, this building is going to be done. Thank you for letting me share the details with you. I'm Nancy Regan from Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Thank you for watching. I wasn't looking where I was going, and I walked right in a red ant mound.